This year, the ZANU-PF conference in Mutare could ignite a bruising battle between Vice President Chiwenga and President Emmerson Mnangagwa, following last week's explosive confrontation that nearly turned physical. Sanabina Mashoko Pankwa Ede, I will hear the showdown between VP Chiwenga and President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Lodi was subscribed or like out on the bell icon. Timina Mbramo Branyo Kamchinzi. What looked like a quarrel between two powerful men was in fact a stark signal. The balance of power within ZANU-PF is shifting, and Mnangagwa's grip on the party may be more fragile than it seems. For a military man like Chiwenga, defying his commander-in-chief is no small gesture. In the barracks, answering back his mutiny to confront his boss so directly is the political equivalent of firing live bullets, a calculated act of defiance meant to show that he will not be silenced. At the heart of the clash is not just personal rivalry, but a battle over corruption, succession, and legitimacy. Chiwenga tabled a dossier accusing Mnangagwa's closest business allies, the so-called Gananda, of industrial-scale looting by naming figures such as KUTYA, Wikino Chivayo, President Scott Sakwaya, and Delish Ngwaya. He was not merely exposing graft, he was striking at the very financial network that enrolls Mnangagwa's presidency and keeps ZANU-PF internal machinery turning. His warning: when Chivayo gives you $10 million, he has already taken 90 million. Cut to the heart of the matter, the party and the country are being hollowed out by entrepreneurs whose wealth distorts politics and undermines credibility ahead of 2028. Mnangagwa's response only deepened the tensions. He denied the allegations, proclaimed himself a constitutionalist, and defended his friends, even calling Ngwaya my friend. His storming out of State House and attempt to turn the Politburo against Chiwenga revealed both his anger and unease. But Chiwenga stood his ground. He accused Secunda Holdings of siphoning billions while giving ZANU-PF crumbs, framing his argument in liberation war rhetoric. The party made him, and now he is feeding us crumbs. He invoked the lessons of the 1974 Nari Rebellion, warning that unchecked factionalism could destroy the party from within. Mnangagwa's counter-strike was swift. A Politburo reshuffle saw loyalists elevated. Jacob Mudenda replacing Obet Mpofu as Secretary General, PANECHAMISA taking control of finances and signaled a defensive tightening of ranks. The president even described his UN trip, worry of leaving space for rivals to maneuver. All eyes now turned to Mutare, where the Politburo clash was the dress rehearsal. October's ZANU-PF conference could be the stage for the main act, as one Politburo insider put it after watching the two leaders nearly come to blows. It feels like 2017 all over again, only this time with the generals turning against each other. Ndo madevelopments aripo muri Zimbabwe amene kuchango chichi watopisa here aiwa kwa Mutare uko. Pina comment section medu zofungura aimot kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pina comment section medu, subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.